Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jodhpur location. It is from Rajasthan. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for HR intern. It is from OTF Coda and experience will be 0 to 3 years. So fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position. So let us discuss about the job description and also the responsibilities and duties mentioned here. Firstly, I will go with the job description. So you will be responsible for admin as well as generalist role in terms of supporting the HR executive, and also you need to handle all aspects of HR from recruiting to training and development, payroll to attendance, handle all expenses and handle social media platform for branding of the organization. And also you need to recruit candidates from different job portals, social media, references and networking, and in charge of arranging interviews, coordinating hiring efforts and onboarding new employees. And also you need to maintain and process payroll on the monthly basis and conduct disciplinary actions and handle admin related miscellaneous tasks including festival and birthday celebrations, keeping the record of all asset devices. So these are the details about this position. You please go through with all the information mentioned here, and if you are interested to apply for this interim position, you can check in the description for the link. One, there is a job opening for executive for credit operations. It is from Prasad Finsav. So coming to responsibilities, processing of completed files and sending to CPU, maintaining desired level of quality with the minimum DVU hold, system hold or branch hold, regular and close coordination with the sales or vendor for clearing all the holds without any delay, regular interaction and liaison with various HO departments, publishing regular MIS to sales regarding the holds and processing of files, regular training to sales and discussion on process or policy to reduce branch hold. So these are the responsibilities. You please go through with the all the details mentioned here, and if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for analyst. It is from Cultivator Phyto Lab Private Limited, and the education qualification will be microbiologist, and freshers or 1 year of experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for this position. One, there is a job opening for search engine optimization specialist. It is from Niharika Times. Coming to skills, you should have full knowledge about SEO, and coming to responsibilities, like you'll get the post in Hindi language, and you have to edit it and add SEO to it. So you are going to get the salary will be 8,000 rupees, and it will be increased after seeing your work. So these are the details. So for more detailed information and also to apply for the job roles mentioned in this video, you can check in the description as well. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive. It is from Mark ERP Limited. So coming to qualifications, the candidate should have experience in sales and competency in English, knowledge of MS Office, Microsoft and CRM software, ability to negotiate and understanding of marketing skills, self-motivated and goal-oriented, desire to deliver results, ability to create and deliver presentations, fast learner and quick thinker, passionate about sales, ability to adapt and grow in a competitive environment. So these are the qualifications. Interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for research assistant. It is from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and you should have some prior experience with computer vision and at least one deep learning framework. And coming to job description, you'd have the opportunity to work on real-time applications, and also you'd have the opportunity of building and deploying SOTA algorithms for object detection, object recognition, among others, while being mentored by the research group known to publish at the topmost venues in the computer vision community like CVPR, ICCV, ECCV, PAMI, among others. Please check with all the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for insurance consultant. It is from LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. So to apply for this position, you should have some skills like good communication skills, lead generation, time management, and sales and marketing. So in order to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. One, there is a job opening for business analyst. It is from Adiyogi Technosoft Private Limited. And coming to responsibilities, lead generation and prospect management, understanding client needs and offering solutions and support, answering potential client questions and follow up all questions, responding to client requests for proposals, creating informative presentations, presenting and delivering information to potential clients at client meetings, industry exhibits, trade shows and conferences, creating and maintaining a list or database of prospect clients, maintaining a database, Salesforce, CRM, Excel, etc. of prospective client information. So these are the responsibilities, and for more detailed information you can check in the description to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for junior business analyst. It is from NBN Minds Private Limited. So 0 to 3 years of experience is required to apply for this position, and you should be strong in logical reasoning and aptitude and excellent written and verbal English skills, good in explaining ideas and also good logical skills. So fresher candidates are eligible to apply, so preferably females. So you can also check here with the job description mentioned here. So if you are interested to apply, you can check in the description for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.